Myra Maybelle Shirley Starr, born February 5, 1848, killed February 3, 1889, better known as Belle Starr, was a notorious American outlaw.
Beautiful.
Her exploits are far too many to mention for this video, so I will give a very abbreviated history. She was given a classical education and learned piano while graduating from Missouri's Carthage Female Academy. She had many love interests throughout her life. She gave birth to 2 children.
Spiders and snakes.
I don't know how far back this goes.
She sided with the Confederates during the American Civil War. In 1880, she married a Cherokee man named Sam Starr and settled with the Starr family in Indian Territory. There, she learned the ways of organizing, planning, and fencing for the rustlers, horse thieves, and bootleggers, as well as harboring them from the law. Belle always harbored a strong sense of style, which fed into her later legend. A crack shot, she used to ride side saddle while dressed in a black velvet riding habit and a plumed hat, carrying 2 pistols with cartridge belts across her hips. Belle's illegal enterprises proved lucrative enough for her to employ bribery to free her cohorts from the law whenever they were caught. December 17, 1886, Sam Starr was involved in a gunfight with Officer Frank West. Both men were killed, and Belle's life as an outlaw queen and what had been the happiest relationship of her life abruptly ended with her husband's death. On February 3, 1889, 2 days before her 41st birthday, she was killed. She was riding home from a neighbor's house in Eufaula, Oklahoma, when she was ambushed. After she fell off her horse, she was shot again to make sure she was dead. Her death resulted from shotgun wounds to the back, neck, shoulder, and face. Legend says she was shot with her own double-barrel shotgun. Suspects with possible motive included her new husband, both of her children, as well as Edgar J. Watson, a fellow sharecropper. Watson, who was killed in 1910, was tried for her murder, but was acquitted, and the ambush has entered into Western lore as unsolved.